Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be making a tutorial on how I created this hair sew in with leave out. So guys, if you want to see a DIY video on how I created this hair sew in with leave out, keep watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Thank you. So guys, as you can see right now, I'm trying to make a cornrow for the hair sew in with leave out. Okay guys, as you can see the way I parted my hair, I left my two edges on the front side. Okay guys, and also at the middle, as you can see the way I parted my hair. Okay guys, and now I'm trying to make a cornrow for the hair sew in with leave out. So guys, recently I didn't know what happened to my hair. My edges stroke front hair got cut, so many of them, and I'm having a lot of ingrowth hair. So guys, I'm trying to manage that as well, and maybe you guys can tell me the tips in which I can help in order to grow my undergrowth hair or ingrowth hair, and also in order to make my hair to be more soft than I have a very thick natural hair. Okay guys, so guys, back to the video. As you can see, I'm still curling my hair. Okay guys, so guys, all you need to do is to keep on curling your hair until you are through with the hair curl. Okay guys, so when I get to the end, I have to take the remaining curl I left in order to join it together and keep on making a curl for the hair sew in. Okay guys, so guys, I'm still curling the hair. So guys, in case you're trying to do it on yourself, okay guys, make sure you bend down. Okay, I know it might be a little bit difficult for a beginner, but when you keep on trying, it's going to be more easier with time. Okay guys, so guys, as you can see, I'm through with the cornrow, and this is an old human hair extension I'll be using, and a C-curve needle for the sew in. Okay guys, so guys, as you can see, I'm attaching the leftover braid to my hair and sewing it with a C-curve needle and a thread. So guys, for my thread, I only made use of 2 thread. Okay, I didn't want to struggle with making use of 4 thread in a C-curve needle, so I only make use of it. I only attached 2 thread to the C-curve needle. So guys, after that, you just need to double the track of your hair extension and start to sew. So guys, my ideal way for a beginner that wants to copy this tutorial on how to do a hair sew in with leave out. Okay guys, you just need to use your sense of touch, which is feel. Okay guys, and then you just need to be sewing. So guys, you have to sew the thread onto the cornrows. Okay guys, I'm still showing you guys, as you guys can see the front properly. Okay guys, you just need to keep on sewing. Okay guys, if possible, make sure you're sitting in a position that you're very much comfortable. Okay, and you just need to keep on attaching the thread and the needle, and also the hair extension. Okay, I'm making use of an old human hair extension. So guys, all you need to do is to keep sewing the hair extension onto your hair. Okay guys, I have a mirror in front of me in which I'm looking through in order to see where I need to place my needle and also the hair extension. Okay guys, so I just need to keep on sewing. Okay, doing the hair sew in. As you all can see, my edges are very short. Okay guys, I didn't know what happened. Can you guys tell me tips in which to grow my natural hair, but I don't wish to go natural? Okay guys, aside from that, I just kept on sewing or doing the hair sew in. Okay, attaching the needle and the thread and then bringing it out. So guys, this is just a beginner friendly video on how to do a hair sew in with leave out. Okay guys, you just need to keep on sewing. And also I didn't cut any of the hair extensions. Okay, when I get to the end, I just flip it around and then continued sewing. Okay guys, so guys, I know that my natural hair might not be the best, might not have the best look, but that is as a result of the undergrowth hair in which I have. Okay, I've been experiencing that for some time now, and I don't wish to be retouching my hair every month, which I did in the past. Okay guys, so guys, as you all can see, I'm still attaching the tracks to my hair. I'm still doing the hair sew in. Okay, so guys, you just need to make sure that the sew in is well secured. Okay, replace the thread if it finishes. Okay guys, and then keep on sewing till you are through with the hair sew in. So guys, when I got through with the hair sew in, as you can see, I just loosed the hair leave out in which I corrode. I just loosed it. Okay guys, comb it through. Okay, and also try to make a center pattern to my natural hair. Okay guys, for the sew in, because it's a sew in with leave out. So guys, after in which I now go in with a flat iron or a hair straightener. Okay, in order to straighten my natural hair. Okay guys, I just grab a little piece of my natural hair, and then using the hair straightener or flat iron, I walked it through. So guys, I'm very much afraid of the hair straightener touching my scalp. Okay, so guys, you just need to keep on straightening your natural hair until you are through. I just did that until when I got through. Okay, I'm just showing you guys because this is a beginner friendly video, so that you can see every step in which I took in order to do this hair sew in with leave out. Okay, so guys, you just need to take your time. Okay, and also maybe I should do a video on how to straighten your natural hair using a flat iron. Okay guys, don't forget to let me know in the description, in the comment section, in case you want to see a video on that. Okay, so guys, this is pretty much is on how to do a hair sew in with leave out. Okay guys, after in which you straighten your hair using a hair straightener. So guys, when I got through with straightening my hair, okay, I just made a straight pattern in front of my hair, as you all can see. Okay guys, and also I loosed the braiding in which I braided the hair extension in order to allow me to straighten my hair. Okay guys, I loosed it, and then that is the finished hair. So guys, I hope I tried. Okay guys, I'm still learning. Okay, so guys, this is pretty much the hair. Okay, I'm just combing it through. Okay, and this is what it looks like. So guys, you are good to go. So guys, that is it for today. Thank you. So guys, I hope you guys like this beginner friendly video on how to do a hair sew in with leave out. Okay guys, thank you so much for your time. Please don't forget to share my video, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you. This is the finished hair. Okay, so guys, in case you want to see a video on how to style this hair sewing with leave out or how to coil it, please don't forget to let me know, or maybe I'll be making a video on that. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share. Check out my tutorial, check out the tutorial on how I created this makeup look. So guys, thank you.